Hello guys, today we're going to review itong Reno 12 Pro. This is a variant ng China. So ibang iba siya kumpara dito sa Philippines release. So maganda ang specs nito compare sa Philippines release because ito is naka Dimensity 9200, which is star speed ang version nito. So ito, kapag makukuha mo to sa Pinas, mabibili mo sa Shopee or sa mga online shop. Ayan, ito makikita mo, naka 16 GB RAM siya. Dimensity 9200 na rin ang kanyang processor. Ang maganda pa rito, 16 GB ang RAM niya. Sobra talagang malupit ang nirelease nila na 12 o Reno 12 Pro sa China, which is ito is flagship device or flagship processor. Ang isa pa rin sa kaibahan niya is yung kanyang camera. Ngayon meron na siyang Sony IMX890. So mabilis ang kanyang shutter speed. And then ang selfie niya is 50MP pa rin. So ngayon gamit ko itong Fold 5 natin sa pag-review. So compare sa local, naka LYT 700 Sony sensor, which is a mid-range lens. Compare dito sa release ng China na Reno 12 Pro, naka Sony IMX890. So pag capture ng mga picture, talagang malupit, malinaw, maganda ang processing. Ito nga pala is updated na sa Android 15. So Android 15 na rin po siya. 5G gumagana dito sa Pilipinas. So 5G works well here in the Philippines. When it comes to video, ito is merong 4K na. So 4K 60 FPS. So pwede na mag-record as from for the video. So 4K 60 FPS na siya. Might as well itong kanyang selfie. So ito is pag na-video, kayang-kaya rin ng 4K 60 FPS. So kanyang camera sa selfie is 4K 60 FPS din, which is good. So talagang magandang ni-release ng Reno 12 Pro when it comes to sa China version. So wala siyang lags since upgraded na to sa Dimensity 9200 plus Star Speed Edition. So kung gaming lang, kayang-kaya niya mga AAA games. Ito Lineage 2. So dito ako naglalaro ng Lineage 2M. So check natin yung game test. So right off the bat, ayan siya. Sobrang since nagpa-process pa ng patch, no? So hintayin natin mag-load after the patch. So ito, sobrang ganda ng processing niya kahit maraming players and graphics around the open world. You'll see the Lineage performs well here. And when it comes to the display, sa graphics performance niya, kayang-kaya niya ang ultra settings. So ultra graphic quality settings. So ito is a AAA game na made with Unreal Engine. So all of the games, AAA, Genshin Impact, Wuthering Waves, and Mobile Legends, kayang-kaya. So you can play the games here very smoothly and very efficient sa graphics. You can see there's no lags, there's no drops in the FPS. And when it comes to gaming, it has a tools here. So may tools siya rito. So this is China ROM now, but the tools can be accessed as well. So this supports when you go in gaming up to 1000 sampling rate. So yung sampling rate niya is very responsive. You can see here. So pag nagsi-COD kayo or mga shooting games, FPS games like Modern Combat or CODM Mobile, so kayang-kaya yan. Sobrang bilis ng response rate. Kitang-kita nyo, wala man lang kalaglag sa AAA Unreal Engine game. Dahil yan sa kanyang Dimensity 9200 processor. So guys, ito nga ulit si Reno 12 Pro China version. So makunat din ng kanyang battery, 5000 and 80 watts fast charging. So quick review, a good unit na you can search if you would like gaming device. In Shopee, it's around 20,000 SRP. So please subscribe and thank you for watching guys. Have a good one.